VTS, the only unit, one of the units which is having a quality certification of CE certification, also stands out to its quality and the manufacturing standards. It has a wide network of manufacturing base all around the world. Today, Mr. Cyprian also broke the myth, various RPMs and the frequency, a higher RPM unit, the lower RPM unit. In all, it was a very good presentation, and I wish VTS all the very best.
About certain features which are inbuilt in AHUs of VTS, which are usually not available in the market. I hope the prices are competitive so that we can promote VTS AHUs can be used more in hospital projects due to its acoustic properties and other built-in features which are really good for the product. The CAV and the VAV options were also very good, which are linked to the VFD drive. The motor selection was explained in very brief to us, so the overall session was very informative.
We have been working with VTS since so many years. Best thing about the VTS is the responsiveness. The product speak by itself. Product has the best features, and they have developed a very advanced software which can give the various dynamic selections of AHUs very fast, and their service, their factories, their approach is very fast. Especially the people from the marketing and sales side, they visit very frequently and upgrade our knowledge. That is the best part of it.
This gathering was much higher compared to last year, and we have a cross-section of consultants who are specialists in their own fields. It was a very good seminar attended by everybody, and then followed by interactive session where people asked a lot of questions, clarified their doubts, which was excellently handled by Mr. Cyprian. So I feel overall it has been great success, as well as people who came here, they got all answers to their queries, and it will really give, I feel it should give a lot of mileage to VTS India.
This is the second year we are organizing the product seminar in Mumbai. Last year we organized in 2016 November. This year the response is very good. Most of the designers are appreciating this event. The presentation made by Cyprian is really good and everybody appreciating that. I would like to thank to Cyprian especially for this event and made the beautiful presentation for this event.
As Mani said, this is the second event in the city of Mumbai since last year. So I had to check again what range of topic was covered last time, just not to say the same thing as it was last time. So I decided to make almost brand new presentations. I have replaced about 50% of content of previous presentation for today. So this time I put much more attention at controls application, especially the CAV and VAV control of the air handling unit. So besides talking about the principles of CAV and VAV, I wanted to say something about what is the range of applications. So what does it make sense to use CAV? So I have shown, for example, this is a situation where the filter is going more and more contaminated, so how you can maintain the required airflow of the air handling unit, or if you change the configuration of the air handling unit. So many cases when the CAV application really makes sense to be applied. Also, during today's presentation, we have presented the typical problems related with air handling units operations, especially with the high frequency operation. Many times we hear the requests about making a lower frequency, that the high frequency is dangerous for the motor. So today I was acting a little bit like a mythbuster, just to show that operations of high frequency are not harmful for the motor and for the fan. So I believe this was very, very well appreciated because of the customers, because they really like if the presentation is strongly technical. They like to talk about the typical issues, typical operational problems of the air handling unit. And I heard many, many times that they really liked it.